This video presentation is your ultimate guide to marketing your travel agency on social media. My name is Joni Ogg. Social media has become an essential tool for businesses across industries, and the travel industry is no exception. For travel agencies, social media offers a unique opportunity to connect with potential clients, showcase amazing niches, and build a loyal community around your brand. And in this article, we're going to explore how to effectively market your travel agency on social media, from selecting the right platforms to creating engaging content and measuring success. And before you start posting, it's crucial to understand who your target audience is. Are they adventure seekers, luxury travelers, or families looking for budget-friendly vacations? Knowing your audience helps you tailor your content and choose the right platforms. For instance, if you cater to younger travelers, platforms like Instagram and TikTok would be more effective, while Facebook is better for reaching an older demographic. Consider creating buyer personas that detail the characteristics, preferences, and pain points of your ideal clients. This is going to guide your content creation and help ensure that your social media efforts resonate with the right people. And not all social media platforms are created equal, and each has its own strength when it comes to marketing travel. Here's a brief overview of the most popular platforms. Now, with its broad user base, Facebook is ideal for sharing detailed content, including travel tips, blog posts, and customer reviews. It also offers powerful advertising tools to target specific demographics. Highly visual, Instagram is perfect for showcasing stunning travel photos and videos. Instagram stories and reels can be used to highlight quick travel tips, behind-the-scenes moments, or client testimonials. Driving traffic is another great use for Instagram reels. Now, this platform is gaining popularity for traveler content, particularly among younger audiences. TikTok's short-form videos can be used to showcase destinations, travel hacks, and trending travel experiences. And Pinterest is great for sharing travel itineraries, packing lists, and destination guides. It's a platform where users actively seek inspiration, making it a good fit for driving traffic to your website. Now, ideal for real-time updates, X can be used to share travel news, special deals, and engage in conversations with travelers. Hashtags can to help increase the visibility of your posts as well. Now, if you can create high-quality video content, YouTube is an excellent platform for travel vlogs, destination guides, reviews, and how-to videos. YouTube Shorts can be used to drive traffic to larger videos on your channel quite effectively. Choose platforms based on where your target audience spends most of their time and the type of content that you're capable of producing. And once you've chosen your platforms, it's time to develop a content strategy. Your content should be a mix of promotional and informative posts, designed to engage your audience and build trust in your brand. Content marketing is the key to growing your digital revenues. And here are some content ideas for you. If you specialize in a specific destination or a niche, sharing unique content that folks visiting your platform will validate your expertise and your professionalism in these niches. Provide useful travel tips, packing lists, or guides that help your audience plan their trips. This positions you as an expert resource. You can use AI to create ebooks that you can offer clients for free to download. Encourage your clients to share their travel photos and tag your agency. Reposting this content not only fills your feed with authentic images, but also strengthens your relationship with clients. Reviews are a great way to develop excellent user content. Run contests or special promotions exclusively for your social media followers. And this can help increase engagement and grow your follower base. Consider executing recorded webinars on narrow topics on your niche. And once you are on your YouTube channel, it will build authority and traffic. Consistency is key, so create a content calendar to plan your posts and ensure a regular posting schedule. Tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, and Later can help you schedule posts in advance, making it easier to maintain the consistency. Now, while organic reach is valuable, social media advertising can amplify your efforts and help you reach a larger audience. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer highly targeted advertising options, allowing you to reach users based on their interests, location, demographics, and behavior. Now, here are some types of social media ads to consider. Carousel ads allow you to showcase multiple destinations or services in a single ad. Each slide can link to a different landing page, making it easier for users to explore your offerings. And if you're selling groups, each image in your ad can link to a specific landing page for the specific group departure. Video content is highly engaging, and video ads can be used to showcase a destination, explain a travel package, or share a client testimonial. Invest in a current 360 camera to bring your images to a professional level. Also, there are a ton of text-to-image AI apps that will help you create engaging content. Lead generation ads are designed to collect user information, such as email addresses, directly on the platform. This can be useful for building your email list and nurturing leads. Offering a newsletter can really help you here. Retargeting ads are shown to users who have previously interacted with your website or social media pages. These ads can help remind potential clients to book their trips. Retargeting folks that have visited your group landing page can be very effective. Monitor the performance of your ads closely and adjust your targeting, budget, and creative elements as needed to maximize your return on investment. Social media is not just about broadcasting messages, it's about building a community and engaging with your audience. And here's how you can foster some engagement. Make sure to respond to comments on your posts and direct messages promptly. This shows that you value your audience and are available to assist them. Use features like Instagram Stories, Ask Me Anything, or Facebook Live to host Q&A sessions. This is a great way to address common travel questions and showcase your expertise. Join travel-related groups on Facebook or engage with relevant hashtags on Instagram and X. Contributing to conversations can increase your visibility and establish your authority in the travel industry. Ask satisfied clients to leave reviews on your social media pages. Positive reviews not only build credibility, but also improve your visibility in search results. To ensure your social media efforts are paying off, it's important to track your performance and adjust your strategy as needed. Now, here are some key metrics to monitor. Engagement rate includes likes, comments, shares, and saves. High engagement indicates that your content resonates with your audience. Track the growth of your follower base over time. While follower count isn't everything, a steady increase is a positive sign. Use tools like Google Analytics to see how much traffic is coming to your website from social media. Track which platforms and posts are driving the most traffic. If your goal is to drive bookings, monitor the conversion rate of your social media efforts. This can be tracked through specific landing pages or using UTM parameters in your links. UTM links are free and found in Google Analytics. For paid campaigns, monitor metrics like cost per click or CPC, click-through rate, CTR, and return on ad spend, ROAS. This is going to help you assess the effectiveness of your ads. Social media is constantly evolving with new features and trends emerging all the time. To stay ahead, keep an eye on industry trends and be willing to experiment with new content formats or platforms. For example, the rise of short-form video content on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts has become a powerful tool for travel agencies to engage with their audience in creative ways. Don't overlook the myriad of new AI apps that can help every aspect of your business. Become familiar with AI clones, such as those found at Delphis.ai. These might be great on a specific group's landing page, as it can answer all questions about the itinerary, hotels, sightseeing, and more. And follow other travel agencies and industry influencers to see what's working for them, and don't be afraid to adapt their strategies to suit your brand. Marketing your travel agency on social media requires a strategic approach, creativity, and consistent effort. And by understanding your audience, choosing the right platforms, crafting engaging content, and leveraging advertising, you can build a strong social media presence that drives traffic and increases bookings. Remember to stay engaged with your audience. Monitor your performance and adapt your strategy as needed to keep up with the ever-changing social media landscape. With the right approach, social media can become one of your most powerful marketing tools, helping you grow your travel agency and connect with travelers around the world. Thank you for watching this short video, and we hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial. Why not give it a like or a share? And if you would like to know when we release future tutorials, just subscribe to our channel.